ready yet?
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today I will be reviewing a wig for you guys. This is from the Perfect Hairline collection in the style LANA from Outre, whatever. And yes guys, the wig is I would say a week old. I only wore it once and I opened it when I was at my girlfriend's house, so I threw away the box and everything, so it's not like I could do my little things I be doing, you know, when I unboxing and stuff. But anyway guys, this is the wig. This is it in LANA. And it's supposed to mimic, you know, a frontal and be easy to blend and stuff like that. And when I seen it, I was just like, I had to have it. So yes, as you guys can see, I already did a little baby hair before, and this is the inside of the wig. Okay, I personally like this wig, and when I put it on, I was in love. I will insert some pictures so you guys can see what I am. All I have on is a nude cap. I put some makeup on and my wig grip. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this on. Also, it does have an elastic band, which is bomb. It does have an elastic band. It's a little weak, but it's there. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this on. And I had wore this wig from one of my birthday pictures. And another thing, this wig is big head friendly. I ordered this wig from Ebony online, but you can order it at, of course, Outre. Okay. And I just look at that. Look, I don't even have my mirror, and I already see that it look good. Okay, honey. Yep. Y'all cannot tell me that this shit don't look good though. Like, you cannot. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit is legit, like, the business. So what I'm gonna do now is just brush it with my brush. And it does have, I believe, two combs in the front. Yeah, so there is two combs in the front. I won't be doing any slicking down. Two pins in the front. When I wore it the first time, I did put some Got To Be spray all around the front to hold it in place. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks. Just look how pretty that is. Okay, so with my hand, I'm not really trying to mess up the curls too much, but with my hand, I'm just gonna finger curl it because, like I said, I only wore it once. So the only thing is that this is synthetic, but it doesn't feel synthetic. But I noticed like it did start to, like, you know, start to act synthetic a little bit. You know, you gotta kind of like manipulate the curls and, you know, not be so rough with it because it is synthetic. So just remember that it is synthetic, so don't be running your finger through it too much, you know. But yeah, the first time I wore it, I wasn't trying to do too much to the curl pattern, so I just left it. I didn't do any. When I tell y'all that I didn't pluck not a damn thing, I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see, but I didn't pluck nothing. And the fact that the baby hairs is still here, and I didn't even use, did I use gel? Oh, I think I did use some of my black Got To Be gel in the black bottle, the clear one. The clear gel in the black Got To Be bottle. I used that for the baby hairs. So I would say if you do get this hair, it also comes in other colors like blonde, and it also comes in other styles. I think that's so dope, and I'm feeling this, honey. I am feeling this hair so much. Look at this. Y'all see that? popping. If I want, I can just, you know, just to give it a little bit of oomph. And just so I can hold. And just look, guys. So it stops, it's pretty long. It stops right here to me. Right underneath my boob. And I am 5'8". I love this hair, y'all. When I tell y'all I want to get the other ones, I want to get the they have other collections. I'm so mad I threw away the boxing and stuff, but they have 2 other ones a part of this perfect hairline. So they call it the perfect hairline because, as you can see, it looks like a frontal, you know, like I said, I'm not gluing down this, but it does go from like here to I think here, but as you guys can see, it looks like a whole frontal. Like, it just looks so bomb. But I'm not really gluing nothing down because I don't feel like it, and I'm about to take it off, so it doesn't make sense. Listen, it looks like I got my shit. It looks like I deadass got a frontal on and somebody plucked it to perfection. When they said that this is a perfect hairline, this is a perfect hairline constructed wig, okay? Big head friendly for my big ass head. And I don't even got no like flat braids or anything like that. Like, my braids are crazy. I got like, I mean, my braids is okay, but on this side I got lazy and my braid is mad big. So, you know, I expect it to not fit, and it fits. Like, because when I was looking up reviews on YouTube, one of the girls was like, it's big head friendly, and I was like, I need that because I have a big head. Like, my head almost 24 inches around the perimeter, so I love wigs that are big head friendly, you know. This wig was almost $50. I feel like it's worth it. If the wig does get a little trashy, because I noticed the ends are pretty good for right now. Like, the ends are still good, so it does give me like that glamorous look, you know. Like, this could actually pass for some bundle hair, honey. It actually could. Alright, so I know what wig I could, you know, always go to, or my go-to wig would definitely be the Outre perfect hairline wig in LANA. Okay, I did buy this hair myself. I don't know if you guys know, but I did go on a haul and I bought 2 wigs from Ebony online and 2 ponytails. I did a video on one of the ponytails already. Go check that out. I did a video on one of the wigs already, which is a blue wig that I got from Bobby Boss. Go check that video out. Synthetic wig, guys. Beautiful color and everything. You know, I'm trying to do more affordable things. I always do virgin hair. I want to start doing more, reviewing more, you know, synthetic wigs for you guys. But y'all, I am loving this shit. You know, you could do so many styles with this hair. You don't have to wear it like how I'm wearing it. You could wear it in a part in the middle. I like a part to the side. That's what I wanted. I wanted that little frontal effect to it. You know, it just looks popping. And then the good thing is, I can put it on any side. Part it. And voila, any side. Okay, so boom. You don't want it on that side, put it on this side. Put it on this side, and voila. What's crazy is I actually like it on this side. Y'all, this making me want a frontal so bad. I've been beasting it. I really was beasting to do this video for y'all because I had this wig for like weeks. But like I said, I only wore it once for my pictures. And I wanted to do my little review for you guys. So that's why it took so long. But y'all, it was itching my hand. I was like, oh my God, I gotta do this for y'all. I just love it. Like, look at that. Could be worn any way, literally. You could put it up. This is how it's looking. And I love it so much.
GRWM.